Within WordPress itself, you have the ability to change what you're able to do with the website. For example, if you'd like to change the way that the website works, or you'd like to add a particular thing in, like you'd like to add an image gallery or something along those lines, then within WordPress you have the ability to install what is known as a plugin. There are literally tens of thousands of plugins that you can get for WordPress that will change the way that the website works without you needing to know a single line of code. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to install one of my favorite plugins, which is the Yoast SEO plugin. So we're going to go over to plugins and we're going to click add new. As with themes, you have the ability to search for a plugin, upload it directly into your computer to look at featured plugins, popular plugins, the newest plugins, and their favorite plugins at WordPress. In this particular case, I know that the Yoast SEO plugin will be found if I type in Yoast. We click search plugins, and sure enough, the first result is WordPress SEO by Yoast, which you can see has an almost perfect 5-star rating from 2,816 ratings. This list is actually very handy because if you know what you want your website to do, but you're unsure of which plugin to install, the WordPress community votes to tell you which plugins have the best functionality and work the best. What you can also do within this screen, without even leaving your own website, you can click on details and you can see the details of the plugin, the full description, which in many cases is very good and will give you all the details you need. A guide to installation if you want to do it another way, which I'll show you in a later video. Screenshots of what the plugin looks like on the inside. The change log, which will tell you any changes that have been made to the software in recent releases. And any frequently asked questions. In this case, you'll need to go across to the Yoast website to see those. For your information, it will tell you the version number, the author, when it was last updated, so you can see it was updated 4 days ago. It's updated on a regular basis, this particular plugin. It requires WordPress version 3.3 or higher. It's compatible up to WordPress 3.6, and it's been downloaded over 5,198,000 times. To install this, we can simply click Install Now. As you can see here, we have a similar installation screen to what we had with the themes. WordPress automatically downloaded the plugin from the WordPress repository. It unpacked it, installed it, and successfully installed the plugin WordPress SEO by Yoast version 1.4.12. Now we can either go to the plugin installer and look for more plugins, or we can activate this plugin. So let's just click activate and see what happens. As you can see, the activation has added in here a slightly different grey so that you can see that this is a live plugin. You can also see that Yoast himself would actually like to see if there's anything he can do to make your experience with the plugin better. So you can allow tracking or not allow tracking. In this case, because it's a test website, we're going to say we don't want to allow tracking, but it's entirely up to you if you want to send Yoast information on how you use your plugin. What you'll also notice on the left-hand side below our settings, we also have an SEO option now, which will allow us to have a look at a dashboard, title and meta tags, social, XML sitemaps, permalinks, internal links, RSS feeds, import and export, and to edit the files. So as you can see, by installing this plugin, we've changed the way that the WordPress dashboard actually looks and feels, and we've added extra functionality to the website. And you did that without needing to know one single line of code.